nandito kami ngayon sa bus station. Sa bus station. Kasi ngayon ay may pupuntahan tayo. Pupunta kami ngayon ng Sea Life. Anong oras na ba? Mas 4 na yata. Ayan o, yung aming katapat ayan o. Malaki ng mga building. Akala mo nasa Makati o nasa... Malaki ng mga buildings dito o. Kasi doon sa amin sa lugar. Doon namin sa asawa ko, wala masyadong buildings. Dito ang dami. Yan. Nilakad kasi kami sa Sabado. So yun. Inform ko sa kanyang sabi ka, naglagay pala ako ng mittens kasi ang lamig-lamig dito. Sobrang lamig dito sa Burley. Ayun, so yun. Pero yung isa, tinanggal ko kasi nga. Hindi ako makakapag-touch ng phone, mga maray. Ayan, so yun. Yes. Tapos kinilose ko na ito para dito sa hindi masyadong lahat. Yan. So, how's the feeling? How's the feeling? Coca-Cola. It's your Coke company. Walang pangit. Kami ng bus. Ngayon, hahanapin na namin kung saan ang Sea Life. We're going to find where the Sea Life is. Ayan. Is near lang daw siya ng Alexander Floods. Yeah? Dito yung tunog ng police, ng ambulance, ng firefighter. Yeah. It's same. Yeah, malabi. What is the difference? The difference of the sound of the police, ambulance, and then the 5-4. It's the same, right?
It's the same, yeah. Für the ambulance, you make louder, double.
Ah, okay, double louder. It's the same, but it's double louder. Okay. Now, life outside the Sea Life. That's the Eingang. Eingang, right? We go Eingang.
Maybe make a check it how to twice here when you
Open. Aking baby. Another Sea Life experience dito guys sa Germany. Kaya sa Pilipinas, lahat ng sila pinuntahan namin. Now, danke. Cheese. How much is it per person? 39? Sure? 39? It's expensive. So we're finally here inside, and this is the first thing you will see inside the Sea Life here. Fishes. Yan. And the lobby is there talking to the friendship. And tapos, as we go through inside, another fishes. You can see here, it's red. Yeah. Here you can see this is a toilet. Punta mo siya ang toilet. And there's another seafood. Fish. Wow, it's bigger. And my lovey taking picture. It's sent to Mr. Rafael.
Okay.
Get one.
Okay.
Yeah, get one, please. We need a fishing rod.
Not good for the pen. Oh, look,
Oh, that one is good for the
for
pen,
the
Bobby.
Christmas party.
Yeah.
You must buy one. Look. Oh.
Oh yeah, big. There's something inside it. Up, 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 up. Oh. And wow. Ang ganda sa loob. A lot of fishes. Yun lang masyadong makita na ipapakita ko sa inyo. This is my dorade. Not a milkfish. Dorade. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Wow. Gold. Gold. We're entering the Mediterranean Sea. And this is the big fishing here. Here. Another fish. And this is the big fish that I got from Germany. Look here, my fish. Oh my god, my crabby. It's a jelly. Touch. May sap-sap. Wow. Seahole. Maliwanag. Inside our... Wow! Pwede lang sila guys, oo. Let me take picture. Fat. I'm fat? Huh? Yeah. Fish.
One Krabi.
No krabi. We will get the krabi and then I cook in the pan. It's big. It's here. Entering the coral reef. Oh, what's that? We should bring this around.
Nee, we testen die. Ja, heute wieder um 16 Uhr zurück, vor Mitternacht wieder in Köln. Und schenken wir der
Starfish, you know? I don't know. Finish. I think nothing at the upstairs. No upstairs?
Huh?
No upstairs?
That's it.
Okay. Finish now.
Just,
Really?
yeah.
Oh, this is where we go before. That's where you pee in that restaurant, the coffee.
Yeah. Ah, yeah.
So guys, this is it for our sea life experience.
Maybe.
It's so nice. Expensive or
For this is so expensive.
it's expensive for
When
the...
you look in money, here in what was this? In money, Cebu,
Yeah.
ne?
Cebu in Manila. Cebu Ocean Park in Manila Ocean Park. It's bigger.
Was you also in Manila?
Yeah, we go. You forgot, Malavi. We go. That's where we see the sea lion.
Ah, yeah, another, yeah.
In Manila.
Yes.
Okay, so what can you say
Was
about...
the park another side?
Oh.
Was Mr. Toby? No, ne?
No, Mr. Toby. Ah, yeah, Mr. Toby.
Toby, yes.
Yeah,
Mr.
Mr. Toby. Hello, Mr. Toby. Yeah, and then what is good? Cebu, Manila, or in Berlin, the sea life? What is good?
Well, I think
Cebu?
the best was Cebu was.
Cebu, yeah.
Yeah, so
There's a big milkfish.
it was expensive for 20 euro.
Yeah. So yes, that's it.
We learned
That's
the
it.
shellfish. Yeah, was no shellfish. No crabby.
Yeah, no crabby. Oh, we found a crabby. Only one crabby, right? Okay, so that's...
It was not a real crabby. It was a plastic crabby.
Ah, it's plastic?
But yeah, but for the
Oh,
kids.
okay.
You have no plastic crabby.
Okay, so it's a plastic crabby. So that's the inside of the sea life in Berlin. Yeah, maliit lang siya. As in ano lang,
You need a more shopping mall.
I think like, how many? How many? So yun ang aming sea life experience. Ayan, so yun. Yes, thank you guys for watching. See you on our next vlog. Please do subscribe and please watch until the end of my video. Please watch more. Support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. At patuloy na yung pagsuporta sa aking YouTube channel, guys. God bless us all and always smile!